Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg drop soup without chicken stock. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh aromatics like ginger and garlic to build a robust base. You will need about 6 cups of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. This method ensures a rich, savory flavor profile without relying on pre-made broths. It's a simple, satisfying dish. To create your flavorful broth, combine 6 cups of water with sliced ginger, minced garlic, and a few green onion whites in a pot. Add 1/4 cup of soy sauce and a dash of white pepper. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer for 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids, to achieve a clear and aromatic base. For perfect egg ribbons, whisk 2 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of water until just combined. Bring your strained broth back to a gentle simmer. Slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the simmering broth in a thin stream, moving your spoon in a circular motion. This technique creates delicate, wispy ribbons. Avoid over-stirring, as this can break up the beautiful egg strands. Once your egg ribbons have formed, taste the soup and adjust seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a pinch more salt or a dash of white pepper. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for a fragrant finish. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish generously with chopped green onion greens. Serve immediately for a comforting and delicious meal that's surprisingly easy to make.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.